Yeah, so today we're going to be taking apart my edger, and we're basically just going to take the engine off the edger part, because I want the engine. I don't really care that much about the edger part, but I might put it back on, so I'll keep it around. But if anyone has any suggestions of what I could use this engine for, that'd be kind of nice. It's a 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and I kind of want to use it in a go-kart one day, if I can ever get one. But I don't know, so I guess let's take this apart. So guys, let's do this. And also, thank you to my grandparents for getting me this impact driver. Appreciate it. So, because I also just broke the socket to drill adapter that I had. So, be careful here not to break my fingers. There we go. That's one. Now this one's a bit of a problem, because I kind of put a bunch of super glue on it. So it's a bit of a problem. No, but I'll get the other one off first. I'm gonna keep this edger piece around because I might put it back in here one day, but probably not. This edger piece is also kind of beat up and worn out, so you know, doesn't really have much use. There we go. This is actually really nice. I like this a lot. Okay, there we go. Now, gotta get this last one out somehow. Okay, what if I just take it off of its platform here? No! It's a bit of a problem with this impact driver, is that it does have its, doesn't really secure things from the top down very well. So I can't really get down into things like this very well. But that's fine. There we go, that's one. I can't get a good grip on that one. No, can't get that one. What if I take apart the edger piece, so I can then get to everything a lot easier? Yeah, I'll do that. I'll take apart the edger half. Because I wasn't able to do that before because all the bolts were so tight. But now I have this. Help me out. And that's too big. Got one. There we go. That was violent. Okay. Now I gotta get in here to what I assume is a 1/2 inch. Well, actually, if I just get off this little part right here, I can take off that nut right there. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I just take off this and this, then this will just come off of this bracket, and I won't have to worry about it. So let me just do that. Gotta put something on that. Such a big bolt. What's up with this? Oh. I don't want to destroy things, so. No, that's coming out. I gotta like pull it out though, is my problem. I don't have enough like grip on it. the problem is I'm facing is it doesn't really have a reason to want to move out. So it just spins right there. And then it's too tight for me to turn it on my own. Come on. There we go. I'll just take off the handle up here. Can't see me doing this, but there we go. There we go. That's the whole edger piece taken off. Now we can take out this little bracket, I guess. Because I mean, I guess why not? Work on them. Oh yeah. Wrench. Okay. Now I guess you take off the back wheels. I'm just like parting this thing out. Like, who wants to part out an edger? You know? Who parts out a freaking edger? It's like, I'm just doing this for fun. One day I'm gonna be like the owner of a chop shop, you know? That's bigger than that. That's not getting me anywhere. Okay. Just get this out. All the way. So now it's now hanging like that. Maybe we can get this super glued bolt out. Thanks. I don't know. Wait. You know what? I'm gonna split it apart up top here. You know where it says McLean. I'm gonna split that apart. I'm gonna take that off. Man, I was so happy when I got this thing running. It was like, you know. Oh wait, maybe it's like 16. I was like so happy. Like when I got it running, I was just like sitting here. My dad talked to me with my friend. I was just pulling on it because I was just fidgeting after we had filmed a clip where it didn't start. And then I was like, it just started on its own. And I was just overjoyed. These are smaller. I'm getting better at this. That one like exploded in rust. So did that one. Oh, they all have nuts on them. Oh, that happened. Ow. Ah, don't want to do that with my new impact dryer. I'm liking this thing a lot. This thing's great. So much more powerful than the drill. Because drills aren't really designed to take out the stuck, rusty bolts. Oh, flat. From not just going under my car and not realizing, and then I drove over it. There we go. Oh wait, not more. It attacked me! I didn't know that I was holding that on. I wasn't paying attention. I thought they just held this plate on. There we go, that's that. Okay, so honestly, I took the rest of it apart, but honestly, I just can't get that last bolt out, so it's just gonna have to stay in this state. But, yeah, I guess that's this video. This is just a quick little make a video kind of thing. But actually though, comment down below seriously like what I should do with this, because well, I don't know what to do with it, but I mean I'd like to do something with it. It's a 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, belt driven. Well, it drives a belt. And yeah, I'd love to use it on something. So yeah, I'm never gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna keep this around forever. But yeah, so bye bye.